Here I'm going to give you an idea about data types in Python programming. While learning any programming language, the first thing is to understand what are the data types a programming language can support. Any program need input data to provide an output. Okay, program get input. So the input can be a number, it can be a text, and it can be a true or false value, right? Okay, so we need to understand what type of input a program can or a programming language can support. Okay, Python is a dynamically typed programming language. That means in Python we have no need to provide the data types. That means, for example, x equal to 10. That means here we are assigning a number to variable x. If you are familiar with other programming languages like C, C++, Java, we need to declare something like int x equal to 10. That means if you are declaring a variable, we need to provide the data type. In Python, we have no need to provide the data type because Python is a dynamically typed programming language. So now x equal to 10, that means x contains an integer value 10. X equal to, if you provide something like this in quotes, it is a text or string. Okay, so we are going to see what are the data types supported in Python. Okay, so the first thing is int. Okay, then str for string, bool for boolean, float for fractional numbers, complex for complex numbers in mathematics. These are the basic data types available in Python. Apart from that, there are collection data types like list, tuple, set, and dictionary. So this list for array of values. Okay, so tuple is also for array of values, but there is a difference. Tuple we cannot modify a tuple. Okay, set is a unique collection of values, and dictionary for key value pair datas. So if you provide so x equal to 10 means it's integer, x equal to Tom. Okay, here is a x is a string. Okay, x equal to true means it is a boolean type. Okay, so here not one thing that I can assign initially x is 10, now value of x is a string. Okay, so in Python we can assign any value to any variable at any point of time. That means it is a dynamically typed. In C or C++ or Java we cannot do that. So here x equal to 3.14. okay, so it is a floating point. Okay, and x equal to, in mathematics we provide complex number, right? 3 plus something like okay, so this is a real portion and this is the imaginary portion of the complex number, right? So we can use in Python complex number is also one of the data type. Instead of I, we have to use notation j. Now let's see list data type. For example, I need marks, okay, some variable, okay, marks. If I need 3 marks, okay, so instead of declaring 3 variables, I can provide a collection of values, okay. So if you provide it in square bracket, it is called as list. So here one thing to be noted, that if you provide, here we are providing different type of text, right? So this is called as literal, okay. So the value that is assigned to a variable is called as literal. This literal can be, this is an integer literal, this is a string literal, it is a boolean literal, it is a floating point literal, it is a complex literal, this is a list literal, okay. So actually every language expects certain syntax, okay. So here if you provide value in square brackets, it is a list, okay. We'll see what is the syntax for tuple, okay. Marks equal to, if you provide something in parenthesis, it is a tuple, okay. So here tuple is also similar to list, but we cannot modify the tuple once after creation, okay. We cannot change, we cannot add or delete the values from this particular marks tuple, okay. But in the case of list, we can modify. That is the basic difference. So marks equal to, if I am providing something in curly braces, it is a set. So 22, 33, 44, 22, okay. So set is used for unique values, but here I have provided 22 again, right? So if you use like, if you provide like this, set will eliminate this particular duplicate value, okay. So only 122 will be there in the set, okay. So if you want unique values, we can use set. This is the literal for set. We have to use curly braces, okay. Then maybe next we'll see the dictionary. So maybe like contacts equal to, okay, here I am providing name is the key, value is Tom, comma, phone is the key, and its value is, okay. So here if you have a key value pair, this is one key colon its value, comma, next key colon value. So if you want a key value pair, we can use dictionary data type, okay. These are the data types available in Python, using which we develop our program, okay. One thing to note here is that Python is a dynamically typed programming language. That means we have no need to declare type of variable, something like, okay, this, okay, that is not required, okay. So we can assign any value to a variable. So that's why Python is a dynamically typed programming language. Now we just discussed about different data types. Here I'm going to demo that using Python shell, okay. Here I'm opening a terminal. If you're using Windows, you can use a command prompt, okay, and type Python, okay. So you will get Python shell, okay. Here I have installed Python 2 and 3, so that's why I used Python 3. So I get Python shell like this.
Here I can provide something like x equal to 10. That means x is, if we provide x, we'll get the value, right? If you want to know the type of object x is currently pointing, we can use type function. Okay, type x, it is class int. Okay, so int is one of the data type. Okay, so I'm changing x equal to 3.14. okay, so type of x is now class float. Okay, so x equal to, now x equal to, I'm changing to x equal to Tom. Type of x is string, right? Okay, so int float string. Okay, now x equal to false. Type of x is bool. X equal to 2 plus 3j. Type of x is complex. Okay, x dot real means we'll get the real number. X dot image, we'll get the imaginary portion of the complex number. Okay, now x equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. So this is a, if you provide something like this, it is a list. Okay, now type of x is a list. Okay, from list we can take the value based on its index. X of 1 means index start from 0, so 1 means we'll get this 0th index, this is the first index, right? X of 1 means we'll get 20. Okay, and if you x of 1 equal to 100 means now x is, we are changing the first index value to 100. Okay, now we'll see tuple. Okay, x equal to, if you provide 10 comma 20 comma 30 in parenthesis, it is a tuple. Okay, so type of x is tuple. Okay, x of 1 is 20. If I try to change x of 1 to 100, we will get tuple does not support item assignment. That means we cannot modify the tuple. Okay, but we can modify a list. That is not possible for a tuple. Okay, that is a fundamental difference. Okay, now x equal to, I'm providing 22 33 44 22. Okay, so x is, if you provide something like this, is a literal for set. So type of x is set. Okay, now if you type variable, we can see the value. So here I have provided 22 two times, but it is holding only 122. Set does not contains duplicates. So if you want a collection of values that should be unique, then we can use set. Okay, now x equal to name Tom, comma, this is a key, colon, value, comma, next key. We can provide n number of keys. Okay, so this another key is phone. Okay, colon, value is something. Okay, type of x is dictionary. If you want to provide key value pairs, this is a key, colon, its value, comma, another key, colon, its value. Like that we can provide a number of key and its value. Okay, in a curly braces, that is dictionary. So here if you want to get font number, so what we can do, x of, we can provide font, so we'll get the value. Okay,
So these are the data types
available in Python using which we
write our programming logic. We will discuss about list, set, dictionary, tuple in detail in upcoming sessions. Okay, I hope you got some idea about what are the data types,
okay, supported in Python. Okay,
thanks for watching this.